Hey guys, I'm going to record this and hopefully it'll help you understand how to do a self-pay client in simple practice. So first you're going to want to come over here and go under settings, billing and services, and then services. And then you're going to want to add a new service, and it'll pre-populate with CPT codes, but if you make up a service, it'll say they can't find it and you can add it as a new code. So you'll do that and then you'll enter the description. So I did one here for 006 Headway for Made Up Insurance Company. And as you can see, I just made it up. You could say UBH or Cigna or whatever company it is for Headway. And I just made up the rate of 150, 60 minutes, and bill it in units. And I haven't made it for people to be able to schedule online, so I took that out. And then you save it. And then you're going to come back here, and we're going to just make a new client, create a new client. We're going to call him Joe Johnson. And we'll just use my email address. And we'll use my phone number. Let's see. I want to take my phone number. Let's see, 7945. Okay, so we're going to make him a self-pay. We're going to continue. And now we have Joe Johnson. We're just going to not send the intake paperwork right now. Cancel and exit. Okay, so we have Joe Johnson. He's our new client that we are going to see through Headway. We're going to come over here. We're going to edit Joe. And we're going to go to billing and insurance for Joe, and we're going to make sure he's a self-pay. We're going to scroll down here to the bottom. We're going to set client default services. So we're going to pick that code that we made, which is Headway for Made Up Insurance Company. I'm going to click that. So I'm going to save it. So that's going to be the service code for Joe Johnson, always. Okay, so then I'm going to come back over here to the calendar, and I'm going to add Joe right here as a appointment that already happened today so we can see this. Okay, so I've selected Joe Johnson, and see how it's already pre-populated with the Headway code, $150 for 9:45 this morning. So I'm going to hit done. So he's already had the appointment with me today, so now I can go in here. I can go to Joe Johnson, and I can go under billing right here. And as you'll see, if you edit this, you'll see that he's a self-pay, and he's an 006 code for Headway, $150. We're going to hit save. So we've got it here. We're going to go ahead and invoice that. Create invoice. You're going to tell your clients if they have access to their portal that they are not responsible for this right now. This is just for your billing purposes with Headway. So it's in here. So what's going to happen now is you're going to come back to Joe, and you're going to go here to, actually, let's go from the calendar view. We're going to come back to Joe's appointment. We're going to go into Joe right here, and as you can see here, he's got $150 balance right here. So basically, when Headway pays you, let me go over here. When Headway pays you, they are going to cut you a check. You're going to get notified that they've paid you, and then you can come over here and go to this tab, Add Payment, right here, and you can add it as a check. And then I put in here like Headway payment. Oh, Headway payment. You can put that in there, something like that. Whatever you want to call it is fine. And then you put the date that they paid you. Let's say they paid me on the 22nd. Headway payment by check. Whatever you want to put there is fine. You add the payment for $150. Add payment. And payment is successfully been made. And that's how you record Joe Johnson in here. And you go over here and you make the progress note. And in the progress note, make sure you put 9:08:37 if that's what you told Headway you did, and the dates, the time of service that you did it, 9 to 9:50.